If you're new to coin collecting, then you need to be able to answer this question. These are two Morgan dollars. Both of them are counterfeit coins. Which one is legal to own? Well, in order to answer that question, we have to look at both sides of the coin. So let me show you the reverse. Let me go back to the obverse. The answer, both of them. You can actually own both of these coins. But why is that? They're counterfeits. Well, the reason they're legal to own is because they have been properly marked with the word copy. Now, this is in compliance with the Hobby Protection Act, Public Law 93-167, and you can see the word copy. Now, it can be stamped on the front or the back of the coin. That doesn't matter. What matters is the word copy has to be in proportion to the diameter of the coin. Now, if you want to look at the specific size requirements, you can read the Hobby Protection Act, and it gives you a really good breakdown of what you're looking at. If you have a counterfeit coin and it doesn't have the word copy on it, it's technically illegal not only to possess, but to import, buy, or sell them in the U.S. U.S. Code Title 18, Part 1, Chapter 25, subsections 485 and 492 result in the conviction of pertinent federal laws associated with this. And one of two things can happen: either hefty fines or up to 20 years in federal prison. And I know many of you are like, well, hey, Frosty, I've got a question though. How is it that people buy these so that they can talk about it? Well, a lot of people gather counterfeit coins to do research, to understand the markers, to identify those things that help us differentiate between real and a counterfeit, or a real and an altered coin. But the law is clear. If you're to possess these, the word copy should be on one side of that coin and in proportion to the diameter of the coin. If you want to know more, go check out the ACEF, the Anti-Counterfeiting Education Foundation. Subscribe to this channel. We'll be putting out more information. I'll be bringing you more content from the ACEF. So do me a favor, like, share, subscribe, and if you want to know more about counterfeit coins or coins in general, we'll see you in the streams. Take care.